Alright, in our next function, we are going to discuss how to use functions that will help you enhance your capability to handle complex scenarios in Excel. So for example, in this worksheet, we are supposed to remove unnecessary spaces at the beginning, middle, and spaces at the end, or trailing spaces, like this one. It has a space right after the text. And we are going to use the function trim. Open parenthesis, and then we are going to select the cell where the text will come from, and that's it. Close, enter, and you don't have the space anymore at the beginning or leading spaces. I will double click so that it will take effect on all the cells. And as you could see, all spaces at the beginning are removed. Spaces in the middle are also removed, but it will leave one space to make sure that words are separated. And even those trailing spaces will also be removed by the trim function. So it's more of like an accessory function that helps you in dealing with other scenarios as well. We will use trim in different scenarios later on, especially when you need to clean your data. See you in the next function.